The American Revolution, also known as the American War of Independence, was a historical event that took place between 1775 and 1783. During this period, 13 British colonies in North America rose up against the rule of the British Empire, ultimately leading to the formation of a new nation called the United States of America. During the 1760s and 1770s, Britain introduced new taxes on the colonists to recover the costs of its wars, especially the 7 Years' War. Some of these taxes included the Stamp Act, the Quartering and Trade Restriction Acts. The main problem was that the colonies were being taxed but had no representation in the British Parliament. Their famous slogan became,
"No taxation without representation." So, in 1775, the first military clashes and the British Army took place in Lexington and Concord between the colonial forces, marking the official start of the war. Afterwards, the colonies formed the Continental Congress. On July 4, 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, which was primarily written by Thomas Jefferson. This declaration stated that the colonies were no longer a part of Britain.
This was the story of the American Revolution, which led to the creation of the most powerful country in the world, and of the people who have shaped the history of the United States up to this day. George Washington, founder of the U.S. political system and first president, 1789 to 1797. James Madison, main architect of the Constitution, led the U.S. in the War of 1812, 1809 to 1817. Andrew Jackson, founder of the Democratic Party, a populist president with controversial policies, 1829 to 1837. Abraham Lincoln, preserved the Union and ended slavery, 1861 to 1865. Theodore Roosevelt, major domestic reformer and builder of U.S. global influence, 1901 to 1909. Franklin D. Roosevelt led the U.S. through the Great Depression and World War II, 1933 to 1945. Harry Truman authorized the atomic bomb and began the Cold War. Containment strategy, 1945 to 1953. Thanks for staying with us. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe and tell us your ideas for the next video in the comments.